In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add ShopPay account on your Instagram. You can simply add ShopPay to your Instagram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, tap on these three lines right here. On this page, select the option of order and payments. Tap on the first option of payment methods. Select add payment method. You will see the last option of ShopPay. Tap on link your account. You will have to enter your email and password to access your ShopPay account on your Instagram account. That's how easy it is to add your ShopPay to your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.